Hi, in this class, you'll learn how to create mini embroidery design techniques like applique, thread work, freestanding lace, shadow work, and more, and how to easily fix designs that are causing you issues, and how to pick the correct stabilizer for your project, and so much more. Let's take a look at some of the things that we'll discuss in this class. First, I will teach you the foundations of a design. This lesson will help open your eyes to design creation. Once you understand this concept, you'll be able to create your own designs confidently. Then I'll teach you about embroidery techniques like applique designs, from simple to advanced applique, how to create freestanding lace designs, including cut work and white work lace, how to create designs that look like they've been hand stitched. This is one of my all-time favorite techniques. It just looks so amazing stitched out. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create. We'll also look at how to create a ripple fill effect and just all the different effects that you can achieve with it. We'll talk about how to create realistic embroidery from pictures. You'll see many examples at the event and will be amazed by the results that you can achieve. It is so much fun to make photos come to life. And best of all, I provide everyone that attends my seminars with access to free designs and videos showing all the things that I talk about so that you can watch them over and over until it makes sense to you. You will leave this class with the tools that you need to experience success every time and have more fun creating your embroidery projects. I look forward to seeing you at Montavilla. Make sure to reserve your seat today, and I will see you there.